Hey there guys, welcome to my walkthrough playlist of the OCR MEI 2018 new A-Level Maths Paper 2, which is pure mathematics and statistics. As always, I'm doing every question in its own video. You can get to the playlist down below. I'll link the website down there as well, so you can get the paper. Also down there will be paper 1 and paper 3. If you're finding these useful, please give us a thumbs up, get subscribed, be awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay, question 17, final question, 2 parts, 5 marks and 7 marks. So, part 1 wants us to express x squared minus 8x and 9 over x add 1 times x minus 2 squared as partial fractions. Okay, so we've got a quadratic on the top, and we've got x add 1 times a repeated bracket x minus 2 squared. So that means we're going to be using the form a over x add 1 add b over x minus 2 add c over x minus 2 squared. So what we now need to do is combine these 3 fractions. So that's going to give us a, let's just do the first 2 first. So we're going to get a lots of x minus 2 add b lots of x add 1 all over x add 1 times x minus 2. Then we are adding on c over x minus 2 squared. So again, the bottom of the second fraction multiplies the top of the first, so we get x minus 2 squared times a lots of x minus 2 add b lots of x add 1 and then the bottom of the first multiplies the top of the second, so we get add x add 1 times x minus 2 lots of c all over the 2 bottoms multiplied together, so x add 1 times x minus 2 cubed. Now that looks disgusting. Fortunately, there is a common factor of x minus 2. So we are going to get x minus 2 times, I'm going to expand the brackets in here as well, so we're going to get ax minus 2a and then bx add b, and then over here now we've just got x add 1 times c, so we get add c x add c, and that is all over x add 1 times x minus 2 squared. Now, the only part of this that we care about, thankfully, is the top. So, let's expand the top out. Let's change the colour too. So, up on top, x times ax. It's going to give us ax squared. Minus 2 times ax. It's going to give us minus 2ax. X times minus 2a. It's going to give us minus 2ax. Minus 2 times 2a, it's going to give us plus 4a. X times bx is going to give us bx squared. Minus 2 times bx, it's going to give us minus 2bx. And then x times b is going to give us bx. And then the minus 2 times b is going to give us minus 2b. And then we got plus cx plus c. Right, let's group this together. So, in terms of x squared, we've got ax squared, so there's an a. Let's cross out as we go. And then we got plus bx squared, so that's x squared lots of a plus b. Now let's do the x terms. So we've got minus 2ax minus 2ax, so that's minus 4ax. So we need a minus 4 in there. So that's gone, and that's gone. And then we got minus 2b. And then plus bx, so that's minus 1bx. So that's gone, and that's gone. And then we get a cx so we got plus c, and then in terms of the constants, we've got 4a minus 2b and c. Okay, so we know then that this stuff in red is identical to x squared minus 8x add 9. So that means that A and B is 1. It means that minus 4A minus B and C is equal to minus 8. And it means our constant term, so that's 4A minus 2B and C is equal to 9. So 4A minus 2B and C is equal to 9. Right, now then we can eliminate C from equations 2 and 3. So let's do that. So if we do equation 3 minus equation 2, then we get 4A minus 4A gives us 8A. Minus 2B minus B gives us minus B. And then C minus C is 0, that was the whole point. And then 9 minus 8 is 17. Okay, let's call that equation 4. Now, using equation 1 and equation 4, we can now eliminate B. So if we do equation 1 and equation 4, we get 8A and 1A is 9A. B and minus B cancels out, and 1 and 17 is 18. So 9A is equal to 18. From that, A is 2. Then we know that 2 and B is equal to 1. So that means B is minus 1. And then we can use either equation 2 or 3. So I'm going to go for equation 2. We know, no I'm not, I'm going to go for equation 3. So 4A minus 2B and C is 9. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then we got minus 2B. So that's add 2. And then add C is equal to 9. So we get 10 add C is equal to 9. Therefore, finally, C is equal to minus 1. So our final answer, x squared minus 8x and 9 over x and 1 times x minus 2 squared is equal to 2 over x and 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 squared. Good times. Okay, then for part 2, we're solving a differential equation. Good times. So, we want to express y in terms of x, given that dy by dx is y times this fraction, and y is equal to 16 when x is equal to 3. Right. Okay, so using what we've done in part 1, we can say dy by dx is equal to y times 2 over x and 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 squared. So, we're going to need to split the derivative, split the integral. So we want to get y on the left and x on the right. So we get dy over y is equal to 2 over x and 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 all squared with respect all times dx. Now what we need to do here is integrate both sides. So the integral of dy over y is equal to the integral of the right hand side. So the integral of dy over y is log of y. Now the integral of 2 over x and 1 is 2 log x and 1. And the integral of minus 1 over x minus 2 is minus log x minus 2. Now the integral of minus 1 over x minus 2 squared, let's just go over here. So, this is the integral of minus x minus 2 to the minus 2 with respect to x. So it's quite nice because we just have a single x inside the bracket. The power on the bracket is going to go up to minus 1. So we're going to get x minus 2 to the minus 1 divided by the new power. So divided by minus 1. So that's going to give us positive that. So that is the integral. So we get add x minus 2 to the minus 1 and then add c. Don't forget the plus c. So that is how things stand at the moment. Okay, so let's rewrite this last bit as 1 over x minus 2 and c. Okay, so now those values come in. We know that when y is 16, x is 3. So this is going to allow us to find the value of c. So we get log 16 is equal to 2 log 4 minus log 1 add 1 over 1 add C. So quite a lot of nice stuff happens here. 2 log 4 is log 16, so we got log 16 is equal to log 16 minus log 1, that's 0, add 1, add C. So there's a log 16 on both sides, so that cancels out. We actually just get C is minus 1. So now we know that log y is equal to, now then, let's start sorting out these logs as well. So 2 log x add 1 is log x add 1 squared minus log of x minus 2 add 1 over x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, now we can combine those two logs, so we get log y is log x add 1 squared over x minus 2 add 1 over x minus 2 minus 1. Right, it's now time to get rid of the log y. So to do that, we raise both sides as a power of e. So we get y is e to the log x add 1 squared over x minus 2 add 1 over x minus 2 minus 1. Now by the rules of indices we can split that up and say that y is e to the log of x add 1 squared over x minus 2 is just x add 1 squared over x minus 2, and then we got times e to the 1 over x minus 2 times e to the minus 1. So we can finally write this as y is x add 1 squared over x minus 2 e to the 1 over x minus 2 e to the minus 1. Jesus Christ. There it is. Okay guys, I hope you found this useful. Good luck in your exams. Take it easy. Take care.